This is one of the most beautiful watches Rolex has ever produced, with a dial cut from a meteorite over 4 billion years old, combined with two teardrop-shaped diamonds set at the 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions. This version seems to encompass all the most valuable elements of watchmaking. The Rolex I 18-39 was produced in the 2000s, making it over 20 years old now. However, its exterior condition remains excellent, with only minor wear and scratches. After thorough maintenance, the watch will return to a nearly original state. Watch the entire video to see the transformation.